There you go. Hi crafty friends, it's Audra Monk, the Crafty Yogi, and welcome to the Crafty Corner. And today's quick tip is how to assemble the peony from the peony dies. Okay, so we're gonna keep it short and sweet and let's get started. So here we go. All right, so we're gonna make this little flower and I'm gonna show you how to do it. I did a longer video. So what you want to do is you're going to die cut one of each and lay them out in order. I did a longer video in my Facebook Live and it was kind of towards the middle. So I wanted to just have a really quick video that you could go look at to put this together. Okay, so here's all the parts. In that you have 4 bigger pieces and 1 little stamen. And if you cut it out one of each, you get 3 leaves. I already glued my leaves on. So this is in a lighter color and a darker color, and you could do the same or you could do different, but I wanted you to see those leaves. This is, I think this is Pear Pizzazz and Garden Green, but the main part is the flower. In this instance, I only sponged the very tops of the flower. We're gonna curl it first. You could curl it in like a peony is normally done, or you could curl it out. I think it looks fine either way. I'm gonna go ahead and curl this one in. And you want to be really gentle because, you know, it's paper. And you kind of curl the outside one and the inside one. I just figured some of us are going to get this and you might make one and then later you come back and you're like, how do I do it? So here we go. Oops. Outer one and inside one. And then on the last one, I'm just going to curl the top a little bit. And I'm going for the inside look. Okay. Next thing you do is these are going to get assembled smallest to largest. However, I like to do the stamen second. I know that's a little weird, but that's what I like to do. So what it does is you take the outside one and the smaller one and you tuck it in. And I think this first one is the harder one. And I want you to see that when you flip it over, you bring it, oops, hold on, I got it snagged, and that might happen to you. There we go. You bring it down and you will see that the die cuts it exactly to fit, okay? And then when you flip it over, it looks like that. So all I need to do is put adhesive at the bottom, and I'm just gonna use glue dots today. You can use your adhesive of choice. If you really wanted to make it more 3D, you might wanna add like mini dimensionals, but that would make it, I wouldn't mail that if you did that. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this down and put it on there. And then I like to do my stamen next. So I know that's kind of weird, but I feel, because see, then I can tuck it in, that inside piece, and then all I do is I flip it over. And this is different from what I did last time. I couldn't even get it to go in there once I had it all put together. So I flip it over and I just put a glue dot to secure it there. Okay, next one, put your pieces in, flip it over, know where it's gonna go, pull it up a little bit, and add your adhesive. So I'm putting 2 glue dots at the bottom. Okay, and then we're gonna slide that down. I guess I could have put 3, but just slide it down and line that, oops, I'm a little off, line that up. There we go, look at that. We're making a flower. All right, one more. Same thing, but this time I know it's where it's going. So I'm gonna put 3 little glue dots across the bottom. And 3. Okay. And then flip it over. Whoops. It is a little fiddly, but not too crazy fiddly. And oh, I guess I didn't really need that third one, huh? I put a glue dot and there's no, that's what I get for not looking. There we go. And then when you flip it over, you have your flower all done. You can then add your, oh, look at that. That glue dot's gonna come out perfectly. You can add your leaves with a glue dot. You could also put your flower down on your project and then add your leaves. I'm gonna go ahead and just add them on this one. So it's really up to you how that works out for you. Yeah, I like that. 2 big ones on that side, little one on this side. You can do it any way you want. I am gonna flip it over and look at, oops, I put that on the wrong side. I mean, I would need that to attach it to the card, but hold on, guys. That's what I get for doing a quick tip video. All right. I need the glue dot on the top because it's sticking to the flower. And there you go. So there is a full flower. Pretty easy peasy. If you want to know about sponging, you can go back and look at the other video where I sponged it different ways. So thanks. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Stay crafty.